This is my favorite weather to be out in. This is so much fun. I can't wait for more rain. I wish it would rain harder. Fish on. Never mind. I love it. Woo! It really is my favorite. Hey guys, welcome back. Finally got Smithmountainlake fishing video for you guys. It was a wet few days. I lost my mind a few times out in the rain. It was pretty mentally debilitating after 6-8 hours in the rain just pouring down on me. But I had fun. Caught some fish, caught some nice striper, a lot of bass, nothing real big, but tons and tons of numbers of little buck bass, and caught a couple bonus fish, some crappie and perch as well. So like and subscribe, and I appreciate you guys watching. Oh yeah, striper, I think, head chicken. Oh my god. For once, I actually have the net ready. He is not ready yet. This is a little medium heavy fast action. This thing is just railing. Come on, buddy. I'm making no headway with them. Oh, they're busting the top over there too. Yeah. That was about a 4-inch shad that he was busting on. Oh yeah, good stuff. That's a good summer spring striper. He is fighting. Come here, buddy. Get out of the motor, get out of the motor. Still looking to hire a net man if you're out there. Probably can't afford these guys. You get $15 minimum wage, man. Come here, buddy. Come here. He is right. No. There we go. He's in the boat. Boom. Tore my fluke up pretty good. It's a swimming fluke. Saw him on the forward facing. Came right to it. Boom. First fish of the day. Really overcast. I'm probably gonna get poured on today, but right now it's not raining at least. But it's coming. Fish on. Oh, this thing is big. What is recording? What is this? It's gotta be a catfish. Gotta loosen my drag. Oh, it's gotta be a catfish. Whatever it is. Oh my gosh, alright, that's right here. I feel I just tied back on. I just want to see it. Just show me your face. Show me your pretty face. Unless you're a catfish, then show me your ugly face. Oh yeah, it's a big old flathead. Oh yeah. Ugly face, but I'll take it. Oh my gosh. I don't know about this, boys and girls. I don't think I'm going to be able to get this thing in. He's probably 15 pounds, I think. Every time he sees the boat, he makes a run. Come here, pretty girl. Pretty ugly girl. Come here, pretty ugly girl. You like a Arkansas girl right there. That's an Arkansas face. Woo! Arkansas face, I love you. If I have any subscribers from Arkansas, I apologize. That's a face only a mama would love. Woo! Woo! Boom! That's on the janitor. I think I may have missed one back there too, because I had a horribly hard bite that broke me off instantly. There. Boom. Put her back, make some more ugly babies. Boom. This is very little. Oh yeah. Woo! First greenie of the year. They do not like the cold. They're warm water tolerant, cold water intolerant. Yeah, fun to catch. If you guys are up at Smithmountainlake, some days it's just a day of catching these guys all day. And man, they're fun. Record, boom. Little baby boom. He's a baby boomer. Fish. Come here, baby. Right off the dock on the flatworm, which we just cut. And that one essentially counts, but oh my gosh. That's 2 hooked fish, 0 in the boat so far. That'd be a little bass off that little point. Told you. Called that one. Yeah. Called that one. Called my shot. Daggone it. That was about 1.5 pounder. I mean, it wasn't super small. That's the 4th bass today I've lost on the way in. Some days you're the windshield, some days you're the bug kind of thing, and today I'm the windshield. Although, oh wait, I want to be the bug. Do I need to be the windshield or the bug? I don't want to be a windshield because then you're inanimate and you can't talk or have emotions. But I also don't want to be a bug that gets smashed by the windshield. Plus, I'm sure it hurts the windshield when the bug hits it. It's not like it doesn't feel pain too, probably. I'm going crazy in this rain. 2 days out in this crap. I've lost my leg. Absolutely lost my knuckers. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, I don't know if I'm the windshield or the bug. I think I want to be the windshield. But right now I want to be a beach towel in the Florida Keys. Just sitting there, soaking up the sun. How about that? This one. Get back, you guys. Oh my gosh, he's off. He's little, but where's that going? I haven't missed this many fish since I was 10 years old. Good Lord, people. If y'all know what I'm doing wrong, part of it is they're little, but let me know. Comment below, what is the fishing doctor screwing up? It might overload the internet with so many comments I'm screwing up, but maybe it'll keep me from missing so many next time. There he is. Came back and got it. Oh, it's on a striper. Right there, there he is. Big old perch. Oh cow, it's a big old perch. Oh my gosh, it's a big old white perch. These things are fun to catch. They hit hard and they fight. Just watch their gill plates. When you grab them, this part right here is sharp, 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 so be very careful. Boom. Coming. Oh, he's on it. Yeah. Gosh, he was right under the boat. Oh, it's a big old crappie. Yeah, I'll take him. Oh my gosh, that is a big crappie. Wow. White missile shockwave swimbait. I'll take him. Boom. He's probably a pound. Boys and girls, this is crazy. I am stoked. My boat is stoked. Thank God the GoPro is waterproof. I'm catching fish. It wasn't supposed to rain that much today. I feel like it's a potential for heavy downfall. I think I found that potential. But I'm having fun. Hope you guys are having fun watching this. This is a mess with not many fish catchers, but some days you just got to go out there and see what happens. Like my dad's favorite thing. So, thank God for waterproof stuff, which is only waterproof for so long. Oh yeah, and that's why I'm still coming out. Oh my gosh, and it broke my line. Yeah, this is not my day, boys and girls. Not my day. Good cast. Let's see. It's showing. That feels like a good one. Not a bad one. See if I can actually get one in the boat. Finally. Finally. I knew that was a good cast. It's all about the angles with these docks. Little spot, I think. Not very many spotted bass in here. There's a few, but thankfully they haven't taken off like they have in the south. Boom. Finally, one in the boat. I'm like 1 for 7 now. This has got to be one of the worst fish landing days I've ever had, if not the worst. Alright, that time I was the windshield, not the bug, I guess. These Berkeley flatworms on the underspin are just absolutely dynamite for numbers. Haven't caught anything big yet, but I think the big girls have probably moved off a little bit on brush piles and such like that. But anyhow, underspin with a Berkeley flatworm. There you go. All the water running off that dock's making me have to pee. If they ever had striper fishing was right back in this cove. I think I caught 20, 21, something like that. Fishing half-mile stretch. Woo, fish on. I can't keep the greenies off there today. And they're all the same size too. At least catch big ones. Nope. Guys are beautiful. Another baby boomer. There he is. Yep, that's striper. Oh my gosh. Yeah, God, he grabbed it right as I was pulling it out. I thought those were striper. Oh, that was about as fast as it dragged on. He hit that thing at the foot under the boat. Oh, I thought those were striper. That was a lot of fun. He scared the crap out of me. Oh, thought missed the sheep. Oh, here comes the rain. Oh, come here, dude. They're not huge. They're perfect time. That was that. Boom. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Woo. That's on the diesel minnow, Z-Man diesel minnow. It's the last one I had, so hopefully I gotta get some new ones. Boom. That was fun, buddy. Scared the crap out of me. My first thought, like, it took up the boat, I thought I was stuck in the trolling mode, but the trolling mode wasn't going. When they kicked out, did I reel up on my trolling mode? Put my phone away, cause it's pouring. Look at that smallmouth. Oh yeah. I'm in Neko rig. Nice smallmouth. In the boat. Boom. In the pouring rain. Neko rig smaller. Come here, baby. I'm trying to get you off. That's what she said. There we go. Can't see out of my periphery, so I have no idea if I'm coming up on a... There we go. Boom. Not a bad little smaller. I'll take it. In the pouring rain, day 3. Boom. So this is on the new bait. Crush City, the Janitor. This is the 6-inch green pumpkin. So, and then I've got a Neko jig head on there. and then I just wacky worm it. So it's got the jig head. This doesn't actually have the hook on it. This doesn't actually have a hook on it. It's just a jig head with a barb to hold the weight, and then I wacky worm it. Pulled that one. Boom. I wish it would stop raining. I mean, I hope it never rains. I hope it rains all day. I love the rain. This is my favorite weather to be out in. This is so much fun. I can't wait for more rain. I wish it would rain harder. Fish on. Never mind. I love it. Woo! It really is my favorite. Oh, it's a white perch. I thought some of these were perch. Boom. Reverse psychology. I still wish. I love the rain. These are awesome. People love to eat these things, but gotta be very careful. Their gill plates are very sharp. But anyhow, pretty little fish. I'll take it. Boys, that's a wrap for today. I am getting in the storms, thunder and lightning, and all kinds of stuff I'd rather not be out in. I don't mind rain, but when it starts lightning, I'm done. Get out of here. Hey guys, welcome back. Finally got a Smithmountainlake fishing video for you after a couple weeks in West Virginia. It was a rough couple days. The weather was absolutely horrible, but broke in with some sun. But finally caught some fish and had fun doing it. Hope you guys like this one. See you next time.